We specialise in sheet metal component manufacturing. What makes us different is automation. We can load up a machine with raw material, start it up, go home for the night and come back the next morning and it has completed the process. We operate a complete lights-out manufacturing facility.
Form 2000 is a state-of-the-art sheet metal component manufacturing facility. Form 2000 manufactures a diverse range of components built to their clients' specifications. As a trusted OEM supplier, Form 2000 enables its clients to focus on their core business of electrical cabinets, instrument cases, rail signalling, rail rolling stock components, medical equipment, renewable energy, architectural cladding, retail display systems, vending machines.
It's extraordinary what components can be manufactured using sheet metal. This large radius bend isn't a design feature that many people would think possible in sheet metal. Our automated folding machines can achieve this with ease.
Form 2000 provides a complete end-to-end manufacturing capability. The process begins with concept development, where the customer's requirements are discussed. The engineering team designed the component using 3D modelling software. The manufacturing process is planned, selecting the machines and processes required to achieve the end result. After the prototype is approved, manufacturing begins. The required components are cut out. Further forming is provided by the turret punch. Fasteners are inserted. Components are folded. Complex folds are handled with ease. The final product is assembled and welded. The components are then powder coated, providing a high standard and durable finish. Form 2000's foam gasket machine adds an IP66 rated gasket to ensure cabinets are dust and watertight. The final OEM component is then carefully packed and delivered, ready for the customer to begin assembly of their finished product.
There is a misconception that our robotic manufacturing processes are designed for very long-run jobs. The true advantage of automation is high consistency and repeatability. This is particularly important when meeting just-in-time delivery. We can set up short runs and manufacture, say, 20 units at a time and deliver in batches as and when our OEM customers require them.
Form 2000's robots are equally suited to large components as they are to small components, providing the same degree of high accuracy, consistency, and the ability to manufacture quite complex products. Form 2000 advanced sheet metal manufacturing, providing sheet metal components to manufacturers Australia-wide, on time, on budget, and with high consistency and quality every time.